big political story that happened, that broke on Sunday. Really, the BJP leadership has appointed Narendra Modi as a chairman of its National Election Committee in a significant step towards making him possibly their prime ministerial candidate as well. This has come despite opposition from several camps within the BJP, more prominently from senior leader L.K. Advani, but of course largely been under pressure of party workers who wanted to see him anointed as the chief of the poll committee. Let's get a reaction from a big market expert really, someone who tracks politics across the world. Alistair Newton of Nomura comes in with his take on Modi's emergence as a prime ministerial candidate.
I don't expect to see any significant structural reforms this side of the Indian election. What happens after the Indian election is very difficult to predict at this stage, partly because the election outcome itself is very difficult to predict. Now, over the course of the weekend, we saw Narendra Modi get the tick in the box to lead the BJP into the next election. If Modi is the next Prime Minister of India, it will certainly be seen as a positive by financial markets given his track record in Gujarat on economic reform and boosting business there. But even he would still have to struggle with a fractured coalition government made up of parties looking after vested, regional and caste interests, which is going to continue to make it very difficult to push through structural reform in India even when we get to the other side of the election.